Okay, so let's check the next program. So here we have this function which takes y as the parameter. So this returns the function which takes x as the parameter. The function which takes x as the parameter has this statement defined in it. So it prints the value of y which is passed to the outer function. Okay, so 2 is passed as parameter here to the inner function, whereas 1 is passed as parameter to the outer function. So the output of this particular snippet is 1, even though the value of y is never set in the inner function. Okay, so a closure is a function along with all variables or functions that were in scope at the time that the closure was created. Okay, so a closure is implemented as a inner function, that is a function within the body of another function. An important feature of closures is that an inner function still has access to the outer function's variables. Therefore, in this particular example, since y is not defined in the inner function, the scope of the outer function is searched for a defined variable y which is found to have a value of 1. Okay, so let's execute this. So we have this output here.